How do you evaluate a power where the base is a fraction? Both the numerator and the denominator are raised to the power of the exponent. So, the fraction a over b to the power of n can be written as a to the power of n over b to the power of n. We'll call this Rule 6. Let's look at an example of this. The fraction 2 over b cubed can be written as 2 cubed over b cubed. But why is this true? The fraction a over b to the power of n equals a over b multiplied by itself n times. Remember, when you multiply fractions, you multiply the numerators and the denominators separately. You can see that you have n factors of a in the numerator and n factors of b in the denominator, making this equal to a to the power of n divided by b to the power of n. Let's look at another example. Simplify the expression, the fraction 2 over 3x raised to the power of minus 2. Here you can use Rule 6, making minus 2 the exponent of the numerator and the denominator. Because you have two factors in the denominator, you make minus 2 the exponent of both 3 and x. Remember that according to Rule 4, you can change the sign of the exponent by moving powers between the numerator and the denominator. 3 squared is equal to 9, and 2 squared equals 4. The final answer is 9x squared over 4. When the base is a fraction, both the numerator and the denominator are raised to the power of the exponent.